Hey guys, welcome to Tools and Two, where we create tool reviews in 2 minutes or less. Today we're looking at Park Tool and their spoke wrenches. I've got two different versions here. One is the single size use. This is a number 2, pretty common size I use, and the SW7, which has a 0, 1, and 2 size. Slightly different nipple sizes there. They're pretty minimal difference, but you do need to have the right one or you can round them over pretty quickly because they are under a lot of tension. Now, personally, I like the SW7. Even though I pretty much only use number 2 size nipples, this is something I just like the weight of it, I like the feel of it, and I like knowing that if I end up working on a wheel with a different size nipple, I'll be set to go. This is handy. I do like the rubber grip on it and that it's easier to find. But overall, if I can carry one, I'm happy to carry the SW7. If you're not sure what size you need, get this, you're good to go. If you're really picky with your spoke wrenches, go ahead and pick up a set of these. But SW7 is in my book as a very worthy tool to have in any bike tool kit.